After filling in all the required information, click Get Your Free Trial to activate your free 7-day trial. And that's it. You've successfully activated Canva Pro for free. As you can see in this video, this method is legitimate and doesn't require team invite links or scams. Well, today's video is very special. I'll show you exactly how to activate a Canva Pro free trial in just a few minutes. This method uses an auto-pay virtual card, allowing you to activate the free trial again after it expires, unlimited and available for your account. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on crypto, AI tools, software, and other useful tech. Now, let's get started. First, you should change your IP address to the United States. I'll be using Urban VPN in this tutorial. I'll connect to a US server and then open Canva. Keep in mind that if your Canva trial expires after 7 days, you can try the process again. Once you're on Canva, sign into your existing account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quick and easy. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or simply continue with your email address. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for a button that says Start Free Trial and click on it. Then choose either Canva Pro or Canva Business, depending on the available option. Next, select either the monthly or yearly plan. Canva will then ask for a payment method. For this tutorial, I'm using a virtual card that supports automatic recurring payments. Enter the card details and confirm the trial. Make sure to select the United States as the billing country and enter a valid US billing address as well. You can check my Telegram page in the description, where I've already posted a guide to get address and a card. After filling in all the required information, click Get Your Free Trial to activate your free 7-day trial. And that's it. You've successfully activated Canva Pro for free. As you can see in this video, this method is legitimate and doesn't require team invite links or scams. Now you have Canva Pro, including premium templates, stock photos, videos, AI tools, the background remover, premium fonts, and many other professional features. That's our today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.